Now let's look at how we would solve an OR inequality. Remember, the OR inequalities are easy to recognize because they have the word OR in them. An OR inequality that we're going to solve looks something like this. We have 3x plus 2 is less than 8, or negative x plus 3 is less than negative 2. So on this one, we actually have two separate inequalities. We know how to solve each of those. They're combined by an OR symbol. Well, the OR symbol we don't need to pay much attention to until it comes time to graph. We're just going to solve each of these separately. So this one here, we have a 3x plus 2. We need the x by itself. So we're going to subtract 2 from both sides, leaving us with a 3x, the 2's cancel, is less than 6. And then we're going to divide by 3. So we have x is less than 2. Now we come over here and we solve this one. We need to subtract 3. So we have negative x is less than negative 5. And because this is a negative x, we want it to be a positive. This really means negative 1x. So we're going to divide both sides by negative 1. So this becomes an x. Remember, we divided by a negative, which means we need to flip the sign. So it's a greater than. And negative 5 divided by negative 1 is positive 5. So our answer is x is less than 2 or x is greater than 5. So that's our solution. The graph of this, we have our 2 and our 5. They're both open circles based on the signs. We want our x here to be less than 2, so we need to shade to the left from the 2. We want our x here to be greater than 5, so we need to shade to the right from the 5. Let's look at another one. Our second example, we have 2 times the quantity x plus 4 is less than 6, or negative x minus 3 is less than or equal to negative 7. So again, we solve them separately first. This one, I can go ahead and you could distribute if you wanted. The shorter way is to divide both sides by 2. So we have x plus 4 is less than 3. Now we want to minus 4 from both sides, which gives us x is less than negative 1. Next we want to look at the second one. In this case we want to add 3 to both sides first, which gives us negative x is less than or equal to negative 4. Again, we've got a negative x, we want a positive x. We have to divide by negative 1, which gives us x, flip our sign, greater than or equal to positive 4. So our answer here, our solution, is x is less than negative 1 or x is greater than or equal to 4. So that would be our solution. The graph of that looks like this. Negative 1, a 4. The negative 1 is an open circle. The 4 is a closed circle. We want smaller than negative 1, so we go to the left from there. We want larger than 4, so we go to the right from there.